Today we will learn how to multiply whole numbers by 10, 100, and 1000. This will use our understanding of knowing how many places each digit moves to the left based on how many zeros are in our number. When multiplying a number by 10, we know there is only one zero in 10, so all digits shift one place to the left, and the empty place value is filled with a zero. When multiplying a number by 100, we know there are two zeros in 100, so all digits move two places to the left, and the empty place values are filled with zeros. When multiplying a number by 1000, we know there are three zeros in 1000, so all digits move three places to the left, and the empty place values are filled with zeros. Let's work through our first example together. We have 58 multiplied by 100. First, let's look at 100 and count the zeros. There are two zeros. This means that all digits in 58 will move left two places, and we fill the empty place values with zeros. So our answer is 5,800. Now let's try our second example. We have 87 multiplied by 1,000. We look at 1,000 and count the zeros. There are three zeros. This means that all digits in 87 will move left three places, and we fill the empty place values with zeros. So our answer is 87,000. Now it's your turn.